Welcome to Polymer Products Philippines Incorporated's How-To series, where you will learn the basics on polyester resin uses and applications. This video is a guide on how to make a corrugated sheet. Please take time to read these reminders, as safety is a priority when using resin and fiberglass. The materials from Polymer Products Incorporated that you will need are the following: R1060 Fast Gel Resin, imported MEKP hardener, luminar film S7554, chopped matte 450 fiberglass, dye or toner, rubber squeegee. For tools and equipment, please prepare corrugated GI sheets, metal pipes, metal weights, wooden board, plastic cups and stirrers, weighing scale, grinder, and rags. Place one sheet of luminar film S75-54 on the table. Place a sheet of chopped matte 450 fiberglass on top of the luminar film. The luminar film has to be about 2 inches bigger than the chopped matte fiberglass. Weigh the chopped matte 450 fiberglass, then multiply the weight by 3.5 to get the proper weight or amount of resin to be used. Pour the proper amount of resin in a plastic cup. Then mix 1 to 2% dye depending on how dark you would like your corrugated sheet to be. Mix well. You can also use 5 to 10% toner if you would like a corrugated sheet with a solid color. Then add 2% imported MEKP hardener. In general, use this formula when mixing resin and hardener: 1 to 2% MEKP hardener by resin weight, or 1 to 2 grams hardener for every 100 grams of resin, or 10 to 20 grams hardener for every 1 kilogram of resin. Mix well. Pour the resin hardener dye mixture on top of the chopped matte 450 fiberglass sheet. Then place a second luminar film on top. Using a rubber squeegee, evenly spread the resin hardener dye mixture on the fiberglass sheet. Take time to do this, to remove the bubbles that might have formed and to make sure that the fiberglass is fully covered with the resin hardener dye mixture. Right after, place the corrugated GI sheets below and above the luminar film layers. Then press down firmly and maintain the pressure. Place the metal pipes on the grooves of the corrugated GI sheet. Then put the wooden board on top. Lastly, place the metal weights on top and allow to gel for about 15 to 30 minutes. Once the resin has hardened, remove the weights, wooden board, metal pipes, and corrugated sheets. You will now see that it has taken on the shape of the corrugated GI sheets. You may now move to a more ventilated area for grinding. Use a marker and a ruler to mark the edges where you would like to cut. Then use a grinder to cut along the lines. Use a rag to wipe the dust off the corrugated sheet. Carefully peel off the luminar film layers at the front and back of the corrugated sheet to reveal the final product. For best corrugated sheet results, we recommend that you use Polymer Products Philippines Incorporated materials. For more information about the use and application of resin and fiberglass, or to know more about our products, please visit www.polymerprod.com. Thank you for watching. Please view our other how-to videos to learn the correct techniques, proper ratios and proportions, and materials handling. This video was brought to you by Polymer Products Philippines Incorporated.